friends, just exhaust and echoes, burning rubber symphony. Street opera, they run from me.
So let's see how this bad boy sounds fired up. It definitely toned it down a lot. It got rid of a lot of the drone. I still hear a little bit of it, but it's better than before when I was running open header just to get the car around. Oh, that just sounds good. But yeah, I think it sounds pretty good. What y'all think? Leave it in the comment how you think it sounds, man. I think it sounds pretty good. Shout out to my guy DB Fab. Let's take it for a drive. Safety first. Exhaust with a vibrant, ultra quiet resonator, and it sounds pretty good as you saw earlier in the video. But I'm gonna take it to a little strip I have around here and just drive by. I do like drive by to see how it sounds. It sounds good though. It's definitely a lot more quieter. So yeah, I'm very happy with the way the exhaust came out. Shouts to DB Fab again. It doesn't sound too quiet, but it doesn't sound obnoxiously loud. So I'm definitely grateful for that, man. I definitely wanted to retain like a nice sporty sound. I didn't want to dumb down the exhaust note too much. So I think the 3-inch straight out to a vibrant resonator was probably like the ideal match for me. So yeah. Yo, thank you guys for tuning in. This is just a little short video that I wanted to put together about the exhaust setup because, you know, I was driving around with just open header the whole time for the past month or two. So, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So, yeah, leave down below in the comments what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Uncertain, built to last. shadow cast. Tight boogie never gassed.